Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, but as a reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, sure, the chart's going to look different, but my goal here is to keep the video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general areas and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll, essentially dictate the current status of the chart no matter when you're watching this. So the very first question that you need to ask yourself revolves around this red line right here at 45.5 cents. That has been a key level of resistance, and as I talk right now, you can see that the price is essentially doing battle with it. So, and like I said, if you're watching this 15, 20 hours from now, you have the advantage over me because you don't have to wait and see what happens. You can kind of look back and see what's occurring. But the big question to ask yourself, and we'll just use the 15-hour number. So you're watching this video 15 hours from now, is where is the price at relative to the red line? Relative to 45.5 cents. If you are, while you're watching this 15 hours from now and the price is currently up around here, well, then in technical jargon, that would tell you that at the moment you're watching this, the bulls are having a breakout. There is a bullish breakout underway. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is still, below it, well, then it becomes a little bit of, well, where below it? Meaning, if the price is still kind of within this general vicinity right here, then sure, a breakout hasn't happened, but that would still be some good, healthy consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is, down here around 45.5 cents or below, well, at that point, that's essentially a failed breakout. And while I'm not going to say the overall chart is totally ruined, as far as the very nice setup that's occurring right now as I'm doing the video, that would all be wiped away. So again, if the price can kind of stay up within this general area, then I would consider that a healthy consolidation. Sure, it's not a breakout, but still a healthy consolidation. And any sort of breaks, and closes below the 45 cent, 44.5 cent mark, at that point, that's, the chart isn't ruined because the price would still be within the overall channel right here, which I've talked about before. But, the chart just wouldn't look nearly as well. Now, if somehow you're answering the question and the price is actually down below 44, that would be a case of not only did this, was it a failed breakout, but now all of a sudden the bears have totally taken back over control. And, not only that, they've built that much momentum. Because think about, that would imply that the price has pushed it all the way down here and then just continued on down. I highly doubt that occurs, but that would just be another scenario just in case you're answering the question, in more of a drastic case right there. But yeah, definitely interesting scenario going on right now. Bulls doing battle with this level of resistance. So it'll be interesting to see if they can break up above it in the next 24 hours or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.